Okay, so this is a follow-up video to my last one. Previously, I had vacuum tested all three valves in this pump cover of the 4L60E transmission fluid pump, and if you saw my last video, then you know that all three of these valves failed the vacuum test. The torque converter clutch apply valve, the pressure regulator valve, and the boost valve and sleeve all failed. I got a new torque converter clutch apply valve from Sonax with a PTFE sealing ring. It's just a drop-in replacement. I'm expecting that to fix the leak here. And then I got an oversized pressure regulator valve. I reamed out the bore, dropped the new valve in, and I also got a new boost valve and sleeve with two sealing O-rings from Sonax. So I'm about to retest this, but I do expect all of the vacuum values to be passing now. Again, the 3/4 clutch pack burned up in this transmission, and the 2/4 band broke. Both of those things can be caused by insufficient pressure from these valves. Well, these two anyway. This wouldn't necessarily cause that, but it would cause issues with the torque converter clutch applying, and you might get codes like P1870, I believe it is. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to retest this, and I'm expecting all these vacuum values to be good now. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and get the vacuum tester ready and see what we can see. So okay, right there I'm getting 22 inches of mercury, so that's a lot better. I believe this one was 12 or so before I replaced the valve. 25's perfect, so 22, that's really good. That's definitely passing. I've got about 23.5 inches of mercury now with the torque converter clutch apply valve stroke to the inboard position. So, I mean, that was fine in the first place, but it's even better now. I've got 21 inches of mercury on the pressure regulator valve. So that's great, it's really good. And I've got a little over 23 inches of mercury on the boost valve and boost sleeve. So, as I expected, all these are passing values now. Like I said, 25 is pretty much perfect, but honestly, anything between 18 to 25, and definitely nothing below 15, 100% for sure. 15, if you're getting values below that, then you need to make a repair, because you're going to end up having pressure issues, which can cause a lot of problems in the transmission. So, this is now repaired. This is ready to go back together to be remarried to the pump body and put back into the transmission. So I'm pretty darn sure that these valves are what caused the 2-4 band to break and the 3-4 clutch pack to burn out, because, as I said, both of those things can happen from pressure regulator valve issues and boost valve issues. So now that I've got this repaired and it's passing the vacuum test and everything, I can put it back together, put it in the transmission, and be confident that it's not going to happen again. So that's how to vacuum test and correctly repair the valves in the fluid pump of a 4L60E transmission. As I said, the new pressure regulator valve is oversized, and I had to actually get a special reamer tool and enlarge the bore. For that, the torque converter clutch apply valve and the boost valve and sleeve are just drop-in replacements. That includes sealing rings. And so that's how they end up fixing the problem. There is no oversized boost valve and sleeve or oversized torque converter clutch apply valve. But the 2 sealing rings on the new boost sleeve and the sealing ring on the torque converter clutch apply valve fix the problem. So this is good to go. This is perfect. And this is exactly what you want to see when you finish a repair. So I hope this is helpful, and see you guys in the next one.